Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your shipping and delivery address, how you can manage that, how you can change that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Shopify website, and after that we have to log in on that, and after that simply we have to click on the settings, and after clicking on the settings, as you can see, has the option for the shipping and delivery. So we have to click on the shipping and delivery, and after clicking on that, as you can see, these options are provided here like domestic and international. You have to choose that which one you want to use. If you want to use the domestic, you can also do that. If you want to change these things, you can also do that. You have to click on these things, and after clicking on these, as you can see, this is the domestic one. If you want to add the international one, you can also do that. You have to add the cost and all the things here. As you can see, add the rate, these all things are provided here. And after doing these, I'm going to bake again. So let's click on this and go to the general profile. And after that, as you can see, has that these things are off. If you want to make them on, you can also do that, like the show automated delivery dates for eligible orders and increase conversation. It is currently off. If you want to make it on, you can also do that. Manual delivery dates, show delivery dates at checkout, you can also on this. Local delivery setup, if you want to set up a local delivery, you can also do that. So currently it's in the Pakistan, you can also do that. Doesn't offer delivery, so you can also change. You can manage these all things in the delivery section. And after that, as you can see, the sample box is provided here. You have to adjust these all things, and if you want to upgrade your plan, you can also do that. Packing and slip templates, you will be able to get these templates here. You can also adjust these templates. So I'm going to back again, and after that we have to scroll down. As you can see, this is the add a fulfillment service. If you want to add this, you can also do that. And after doing these all things, these things will be done. So in this way you can manage your shipping and delivery. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.